Hello, and welcome back. It's another very nice day today. Over the weekend we had some rain, so I didn't get to go outside and play. But today I do. And I am back on my patio garden. So I'm on my deck. And a lot has changed since then. I planted some carrots and peas and strawberries. I did make a video, but it didn't turn out very well, so that's why it's not posted, and I'm sorry about that. But here's how things turned out. Right here, I have strawberries planted. It's kind of a tiered pot. It's really cute. And these are ever-bearing strawberries, and they get these really cute, pretty pink blooms. They're, I think, from Burpee, called Berries Galore. So, normally I don't like to buy, just something you can find anywhere. I like to go for heirloom and whatnot, but we got it a couple years ago, and I figured, what the heck. They're great strawberries. There's nothing wrong with them. They're delicious. Anyway, in this pot I have carrots planted. I think this one is dragon carrot, and over here I have a black carrot called Pusa Asita, and that's the first year we're gonna grow it, and it's the first time it's been available through Baker Creek Seed Company, Heirloom Seed Company. You can find them at rareseeds.com. The dragon carrots I got from Seed Savers Exchange, and they're both wonderful companies. I love them both. In this old wash bin, I planted the purple potted peas. I found the bin on my property, and I really like the rustic look, so I was like, oh, peas would be really cute. So I took some sticks from prunings and just general falling out of the trees, made a wigwam out of them, and then I wrapped this twine around them, so when the peas grow up from here, they can grab on to the twine and keep growing up. So that's really great. Here's one of the lettuce pots I planted, and those little tiny things are seeds coming up. This pot isn't doing so well. However, over here there's lots coming up, and actually there's some emerald oak and red oak. I ended up finding some newer seed and sprinkling them in each pot, and apparently I switched the pots around. Anyway, it's fine. It's all tasty. It'll be good. And then the potatoes are doing really well. I earthed them up because we had a freeze come through. So I wanted to protect them, and now they're popping through that earthing up, looking really great. And today I put this little greenhouse up, and it's full of transplants that I'll be taking to a plant sale that my horticulture club is putting on. I think there's 28 peppers and 33 tomatoes and 2 eggplants. So that'll be fun. It'll raise money for our club to do with as we please. So that's the patio garden so far. And today I'm going to add some chamomile. We usually have we let it seed and it comes up where it wants. So I pulled some from the rockery, and I'll show you that video. but here it is, ready to go. I have it wrapped in a wet paper towel. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna plant it in this old tea kettle. It's not really that old, but it's old to us. We got a new one, so I wanted to repurpose, and that's what I'm gonna do. First thing to do is to drill holes in the bottom. I already started with one, and so hopefully this works. What I did to do that was I used a drill with a 3/16 drill bit, and I will show you how I did it. Now that the holes are drilled, I didn't really do it too pretty, it doesn't matter. They're just for drainage. What you're gonna do is, I'm gonna flip it around. You're gonna fill the bottom with crocks, and this will keep the soil from washing out, or at least help from washing out. Then what I'm gonna do, I'm going to use my organic potting mix like I do normally and make a mess while filling this little hole. I'm never quite perfect. I guess if I planned this out right, I would have gotten a funnel and poured the soil in that way, but I didn't think that far ahead, so I'm making a wee bit of a mess. But there's a tip for you when you do this. Use a funnel. It'll make the process cleaner. Oh, and if you're wondering what's here, I got into poison ivy and I'm oozing, so I know, TMI, you don't need to know that. The leaves aren't out, so I didn't know what I hit. Thought it was just a stick or a tree. It wasn't. To my dismay, poison ivy and I met again. And of course, poison ivy won. Alright, so, pretty well filled up. What I'm going to do is set the camera down. And then I'm going to push a hole in and stick the chamomile into the hole / pot. Actually, I'd like the leaves to be sitting up over the edge, so it's not buried in like that. I don't know about you, but I really like chamomile tea. It has a nice sweet flavor, and of course it's calming. So that'll be a nice addition to the patio garden. If I want to come out and just relax and enjoy the weather, I can just get a cup of hot water, pick some chamomile flowers, chuck it in the pot, and sip away. Alright, almost done. I am a little overpacking it, but it'll be okay. It has lots of growing room down below, and at least I hope it'll be okay. And then I was thinking what I could do is stick one in there. Who should I put in? I'll put this one out the front. And then its roots will grow down into the pot, and then it'll be sticking out. Okay, it's a little more difficult than I thought to get the soil in. Oh. A little bit more soil. If I get it in there, not all over the ground. Oh dear. What a mess I'm making. Okay. Well, right now it doesn't look like much, but once I get it watered and they establish, it'll be a cute little pot of chamomile tea. So there you go. Repurposing something that I wasn't using and putting it to good use. It'll be cute on the deck. If you have an old tea kettle laying around, or even a cup or something, I think that would work really cute. Go ahead and try it out. Let me know how it works for you, and if you like the video, like below and subscribe. I'll see you next time. Bye.